Hey everyone that attended the workshop, Neural Performance for Strength Coaches. I wanted to get you guys a video in regards to what to do with your coordination chart. So here we go. I'm gonna lower mine because you do want them at eye level. Obviously most people's are way up here, but mine is lower. This is just at my house on a random wall. What you guys are going to do is obviously put these around the gym or have clients take them home and put them wherever, like on the back of a door, in their bathroom. I don't really care. So what you're going to do for this is, if you remember the cerebellum assessments, Kay, you had 1, 2, 3, okay? And from those assessments, you also had the shin drag and then proprioception. You have then verified which cerebellum needs a little love. So in my case, that's my left side. Okay, so I'll just give you a quick review here. So this is my right. Okay, decent, not fantastic. Here's my left. Okay. My left side is completely hammered. Especially, I just got home from the UK yesterday and super jet lagged. But I wanted to get you guys this video, and it doesn't really matter how I feel or what I look like. So my left side is drunk, right? And you're gonna use this with your clients, say it however you want. And there's a couple things you're gonna do with this chart. It's about the cerebellum is responsible for accuracy, balance, and coordination, right? So this chart does accuracy and coordination. Okay, so what you'll do here is you're gonna say, okay, client Sally, what I want you to do is touch with your left hand, touch the tip of your nose and accurately touch the middle of that star. I think I gave you guys star ones. Mine are squares, but it doesn't matter. Okay. And then touch your nose again and then put your arm down by your side. Okay. So it's nose, star, nose, down. And you're going to be watching them from the side like this. Okay. Oops, sorry. That was a little blurry. Okay. And you're gonna see if they're accurately touching the tip of their nose and the actual middle of the star. Just orient your body to where you think you can get the best view of that. Let me see if I can get you guys closer here. And I want you to see if I can do it. So I'm not good at this, okay? So you're gonna do a whole page, reassess the pain, reassess their performance on the cerebellum test or whatever you wanna reassess, okay? So here we go, nose, finger, nose down. I'll do 3 rows to save time instead of a whole page. This is a little too high. It's actually, so for me, I'm gonna lower it a little bit because I do want the center of this to be like eye level. So right there is probably better. Okay, here we go. I'm in neutral, toes forward, long spine. And what you guys will start to notice, okay, see, I just missed my tip of my nose. I like hit right here. So that's a cerebellum issue because we're trying to focus on accuracy, balance, and coordination. And I am really not good at this. It's way harder than it looks. You'll also notice when I get to the very end, I do a little tremor. That's called a terminal tremor. Don't worry about that right now, but that's more of a lateral cerebellum issue. Like I said, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm getting better now. It took like the end of 3 rows to actually get better. Okay, that's exercise 1 that you're gonna do after you, oh, let's reassess my cerebellum. Okay. As you can see, that's actually quite better from 3 rows of doing a cerebellum activation thing, okay? Now, instead of just the chart, you can stand in front of them and look at them and say, touch your nose, touch my finger while you're looking at my nose, okay? So I don't have someone with me right now, but Okay, so I'm the coach, you're the athlete, and I'm gonna say, okay, Sally, what I want you to do is stay looking at my nose, stick your left finger out, touch your nose, touch my finger, touch your nose, and put it down. And then you would actually move your hand around, nose, finger, nose, down. The client would be doing this, and you want to hit all 4 quadrants. If you didn't want to use this chart, that's cool. You can actually do it as the coach, and it's like a little bit more fun. But when they go home and they need to do their homework, you're not there. So I use the coordination chart for cerebellum dysfunction. Okay, and the other thing, the more fun thing, which is why I wanted to give you guys this, is called hand-eye coordination. So if the star is on, see, mine's a square, it's on the line, you're gonna hit your sides with 2 hands. Stars on the right, hit your right side. Star on the left, hit your left. So for example, it looks like this. Okay. Okay. I gotta get you guys like really far. Please don't judge. My house is crazy from traveling. Okay. So it looks like this. Star, okay, star on the line, star on the right, star on the left. Okay, and you would go through the entire coordination chart and reassess their discomfort, their range of motion, your discomfort, your range of motion, whatever you're doing. And you want to get this done super fast. Now, I will tell you this, an athlete should be able to get 116 of those in about a minute. Your average person is going to get like 30. So at first, I don't time them, but once they get good at it and or bored, maybe in like 2 to 4 weeks, you can say, okay, Sally, now you have a minute on the clock. How many of these can you get through for hand-eye coordination? Go. Okay. You as a coach are trying to get closer to the 116 range. Okay. That's hand-eye coordination. Now, the next one is foot-eye coordination. And what you would do is actually star on the right, lift the right heel. Star on the line, both heels. So right, left, both heels. Star on the right 3 times, star on the left twice, star like that, okay? So you would actually do that for foot-eye coordination, reassess the pain or discomfort or range of motion on you or your client. And this one chart has just like so many fun things you can do. So it's used as a cerebellum thing. It's used as hand-eye coordination assessment, foot-eye coordination assessment. Everyone loves the hand and foot-eye coordination. It's such a fun drill to do as a warm-up or between sets. Now you're a coach, so you have permission to go full creative on this. And you could do like, if the star's on the right, do a 1-arm swing. If the star's on the left, do a left arm swing. If it's on the center, do a 2-arm swing. You could do a single arm push-up or a bilateral one, single leg squat, like whatever you want to do. Use the chart however you want to in your sport with that person. Just get creative with it, have fun with it, and let me know if you have any questions.